cooling your brain, not just showing tiredness. Ever wondered why you yawn when you're not even tired? Scientists believe yawning is your brain's natural cooling system. Taking in a deep breath of air helps lower brain temperature, keeping it alert and functioning well. That's why you often yawn when you're stressed or need focus, not just when you're sleepy. It's your body's clever way of refreshing your mind. What looks like laziness is actually a survival trick built into all of us. Even animals yawn for the same reason. It's universal brain maintenance. Subscribe now for more amazing body secrets that reveal how nature keeps you running smoothly.